guys, Trade Hunter here with Steady Trades. I'm here to do a simple moving average overview. The SMA. The SMA is a moving average that is calculated by adding recent prices and then dividing by the number of time periods. Here's an example of that formula. How will we put it to use? If you had a 10-period SMA on a daily time frame, you would take the past 10 days closing prices, add it up, and divide by 10. That gives you the simple moving average. So what does it look like? How do we use it? This is a visual example of multiple SMAs together. We typically use SMAs in 9, 20, 50, 100, and 200 time frames. This is where you can see those time frames. The purple is the 9, the blue is the 20, and the 50 is the red on this chart. One thing that we might observe when we're using SMAs is crossover. We might look for when a lower SMA crosses over a higher SMA, or when the lower SMA crosses under a higher SMA. So I hope this gives you a brief explanation of what the SMA is, and you have a better understanding of it. And as always, the link is in our bio for our Discord and our trading group. So if you have any questions, reach out to us at any time. Thank you, guys.